Alright, before we start solving problems on cards, let us try to understand it first. Clear? So a deck of cards has 52 cards in total. Right? How many suits are there? There are 4 clubs, diamonds, hearts, and spades. So there are 13 clubs, there are 13 diamonds, 13 hearts, and 13 spades. 13 fours up, we get a total number of cards 52. So ace means pretty simple, right? All the ace. Okay, there are 4 ace. And then when you look at the face card, this J, Queen, and King. These are known as your face cards. And how many of them are there in total? There are 12 of them. Okay. The last, remember that there are 2 reds and there are 2 black cards. Clear? Clubs and spades are black, diamonds and hearts are red. Now if you're done with that, let us start solving the question. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting. Alright, so the first thing, total number of outcomes is how much? Total number of cards is 52. The first question is a king of red color, right? So there are 2, king of hearts and a king of diamonds. So my favorable outcome is 2. So probability I'll get a king of red color. Favorable outcome, the total number outcome 2 by 52. You can divide it and get 1 by 26. A face card. So like I told you, how many face cards are there? There are 12, right? 4 jacks, 4 queens, and 4 kings. As you can see here, so my favorable outcome is 12. So probability I'll get a face card. Favorable outcome divided total number outcome 12 by 52, which we can divide further and get 3 by 13. Alright, the jack of hearts, there's just 1, right? Favorable outcome. There's, we can see here 1. So probability I'll get a jack of hearts 1 by 52. A spade. So they just said a spade, right? So how many spades are there? There are 13 spades in total, which becomes my favorable outcome. Clear? So probability I'll get a spade is favorable outcome divided total number outcome. So 13 by 52, which can be further divided and you can get 1 by 4. The queen of diamonds. So there's just 1 queen of diamonds, right? Which means my favorable outcome is just 1. Alright, so probably I'll get the queen of diamond is 1 by 52. Alright, question number 15. 5 cards. Alright, that means the total outcome is 5. 10 jack, queen, king, and ace of diamonds are well shuffled with their faces downwards. That means you cannot see there which card is what. Alright, downwards, right? 1 card is then picked at random. So like I said again, the total number outcome is how much? 5, right? 10 jack, queen, king, and the ace of diamonds. So my total number outcome is 5. First question is, what is the probability that the card is the queen? You can see that there's just 1 queen, right? So that means my favorable outcome will just be 1, because they say the queen of diamonds. There's just 1. Alright, so probability that I'll get the queen of diamond 1 by 5. Now let's do the second. Now be careful here, right? They're saying that if the queen is drawn and put aside, alright, you're putting it aside now, right? What is the probability? So the total outcome, there's just 4 now, because remember the queen has been taken out, right? So the 10 jack, king, and ace. So that means my total number outcome is how much? 4. Alright, now the first part is getting an ace, right? Favorable outcome. So we know that there's just 1 ace. Ace of diamond, just 1, right? So my favorable outcome is 1. Therefore, probability that I'll get an ace, favorable outcome, the total outcome 1 by 4. A queen. So my favorable outcome will be 0, right? Why? Because the queen has been taken out. This will become an impossible outcome, which will never happen. As you can see, probability that I'll get a queen, favorable outcome, divided total number outcome. There's no queen no more, right? So 0 divided by 4. I'm going to get my probability to be equal to 0, which means I'll never get. Alright, it has been taken out.